Hello students, in this video lecture I am going to explain the contents of unit number 3 chapter 2 Space Force System. What is Space Force System? It is a three-dimension force system which is also called as a non-coplanar force system because the forces are acting in different plane. The syllabus of this unit number 3 is defined in two parts. Part A and Part B. Part A is defined with concurrent force system and Part B is defined with parallel force system. The contents of concurrent force system are resolution of forces in concurrent force system, resultant of a concurrent force system and equilibrium of concurrent force system. The contents of parallel force system are resultant of a parallel force system and equilibrium of a parallel force system. In this video lecture, I am going to start with resolution method in concurrent force system, that is part A. The resolution method with the very first topic is when cosine direction is given for a force, and for that I have taken one example. You can see the figure I have drawn. In that force F I have represented and the force F is defined with its cosine direction theta x with x-axis, theta y with y-axis, theta z with z-axis. Therefore, theta x, theta y, theta z are direction cosines of the force F. The components of force F with respect to xyz direction and with respect to direction cosines are Fx equals to f cos theta x, Fy equals to f cos theta y, Fz equals to f cos theta z. Therefore, the direction cosines are expressed as cos theta x equals to fx upon f, cos theta y equals to fy upon f, cos theta z equals to fz upon f. Therefore, theta x equals to cos inverse of this fx upon x, fx upon f, cos theta y will be equals to cos inverse of fy upon f, theta z equals to cos inverse of fz upon f. With this expression, we can say that cos square theta x plus cos square theta y plus cos square theta z equals to 1. And as we express this, we can get the equation as fx upon f square plus fy upon f whole square plus fz upon f whole square equals to 1. And the total expression will be fx square plus fy square plus fz square upon f square is equals to 1. A unit vector in the space is expressed along xyz direction to define the original force. As the unit vector is always having a magnitude 1, it is always directed along the original force. In Cartesian vector, force F is expressed as fx I cap plus fy j cap plus fz k cap, whereas I, j and k are the unit vectors along x, y, z respectively. You can see here in this figure, I is directed along x-axis, y is directed along, j is directed along y-axis, k is directed along z-axis. With this case, we can say that the vector F bar is equals to F cos theta x plus F cos theta x I cap plus F cos theta y j cap plus F cos theta z k cap when F is defined with its cosine direction theta x, theta y, theta z. Therefore, F bar is equals to magnitude of the force into this cosine direction with unit vector, and the force F as a Cartesian vector defined as magnitude a force F in Cartesian vector is defined as Fx I cap plus Fy j cap plus Fz k cap, and by definition a vector can be expressed as magnitude of the force into unit vector, and the value of unit vector is always 1. It is always directed along the original force. Unit vector in the direction of F is defined as E cap is equals to cos theta x I cap plus cos theta y j cap plus cos theta z k cap when the direction cosines are given. Let's see a numerical on this topic, resolution of force with cosine direction. Express the force F shown in the figure below as Cartesian vector and write components of force. A force you can see in this figure, F is defined with magnitude 300 Newton, and this force is having cosine direction theta x, theta y and theta z. What is theta y? Theta y is 60 degree, theta z is 45 degree and theta x is unknown. We need to find out theta x first because we have to express this vector in Cartesian coordinate system. With this case, to find out theta x, we are going to use the equation as cos square theta x plus cos square theta y plus cos square theta z is equals to 1. Substituting the values of theta y and theta z, cos square theta x is equals to 0.25. Take root on both the side. You will get the equation as cos theta x is equals to plus minus 0.5. As the angle theta x for the force F is given with the positive x-axis, therefore we will consider plus value of this equation. Therefore, theta x is equals to cos inverse of 0.5, and with this theta x is equals to 60 degree with positive x-axis. Components and Cartesian vector is defined in the force system is F bar is equals to Fx I cap plus Fy j cap plus Fz k cap. What is Fx? Fx is the component of F along x direction. It is F cos theta x. 300 cos 60, it is 150 Newton. Fy is F cos theta y, it is 300 cos 60 is equals to 150 Newton, and Fz is F cos theta z is equals to 300 cos 45 equals to 212.132 Newton. These are the components of a vector F and the Cartesian coordinate system. In that a vector is expressed as 150 I cap plus 150 j cap plus 212.132 k cap. So, in this video lecture, we have studied the resolution of a force in space force system when cosine direction of a force is given. I hope you clear the concept of the resolution of a force when cosine angles are given. Thank you.